Okay, so this is a real quick fix for a GoPro that you can't turn on. I had the same thing happen the other day, barely even used it, and it's a real simple, easy fix. I know YouTube is an awesome place to go for information, but sometimes, it's everybody's point of view. I saw a guy cutting a USB cord apart to stick on his battery. Well, I guess it worked. I don't know. I wouldn't try that. What I actually did is I went to GoPro support. When you open the page, there's a little balloon that comes on in the right hand corner. You click that balloon, it's a live chat. And the lady actually had me going, to my amazement, in about 10 minutes or less. So here's what to do, and this comes right from the GoPro tech support. Is in my case, I have a GoPro Hero, the basic first model. So it's molded, and you can't take, the body is molded and you can't take the battery out. So what you do in that case is, I can't show you because I'm recording my camera, of course. That's the only one I've got, and it's a cheap model. So you take the latch and you unlatch the top, you open the back window. This is with your GoPro, well, it's already off, I'm assuming, because it won't turn on, but you just poke that SD card until it comes out. You take that SD card out, take your USB cord, and plug it into your computer, and it should light right up and turn back on. If that happens, you should charge your GoPro fully. And if this doesn't work for you, don't go to somebody that's going to show you how to cut cords and do all this funky stuff. Go to GoPro tutorials, and when you see the chat balloon come on in the corner, click on that. They're awesome people, and they'll have you up and running in no time. So hope this works for you. It really worked. I was amazed. It worked in no time for me. And if you got one that you can't take apart, you can't take the battery out, take your SD card out, plug it in, and it should light right up. If it doesn't, go to GoPro tech support. Okay, good luck.